Hey, just wanted to do a quick video. My car is filthy from traveling yesterday, but I installed the factory Mitsubishi remote start on my car. Was simple to install. You had to take it to the dealer to have the keyless access operation activated, which they did for me. Well, then we got a flat tire on the way there, hit a huge pothole, busted one of my new tires right in the sidewall, put a hole in it. It was a ginormous pothole. So going today to get my new tire when it comes in and have it put on. Since I've only put about 900 miles on my Vredestein since I've got them, it should be good. No defect to the tire. It was a huge ass sharp pothole, but wanted to demonstrate the remote start for you. And all you do is press the engine button, hold it for 1 second, then press start, and I'll show you. And then this also works as your smart key too, to lock and unlock the doors. Now the only thing is, when you do a push button start car, it has to shut the car off, and you have to start it back up as soon as you unlock it. You'll see as soon as I hit unlock, car shuts off. They have to do that because there's no key to put in the ignition. I had a Kia Soul that had remote start, and is what you would do with it. You would get in, put the key in, turn it to on, and hit the brake, and you were good to go. But since there's no safe way with the push start, the car has to shut off and you have to restart it once you get in with the fast key. But just wanted to do a quick video. And also, we drove about 150 miles on this and had no issues at all going 60. So the donut did pretty damn good. Hey, thanks.